Listen to the Mummy, Level B1.
In Egypt, there's a very old tomb hidden under the shifting sands of the desert. People say there's something super powerful inside called the Eye of Horus. Dr. Amelia Hartley, an archaeologist who never gets tired, set up her camp by an ancient temple. She loves finding out secrets from the past. When she explores old ruins, she feels amazed by what's left of people who lived a long time ago. Dr. Hartley thinks the key to Egypt's biggest treasure, the Eye of Horus, might be hidden among these old stones. One day, as the sun went down, Amelia told her team to go back to camp. She stayed in the ancient temple to look at the pictures on the walls a bit more. While she was deep in the mysteries of ancient Egypt, she didn't notice someone appearing. In a moment, Sebastian Drake stood in front of her. He's a tall and strong explorer, Amelia's competitor. Dressed in leather clothes and a hat that shaded his intense eyes, Drake looked like someone who had faced tough adventures. Amelia asked carefully, "Why are you here, Sebastian?" Sebastian, with a mysterious smile, replied, "Like everyone else, curiosity, ambition, maybe a bit of obsession." Amelia started feeling a little mad. "Don't tell me you're also here for the Eye of Horus."
I think you forgot to subscribe to our channel. Do it now to get more audiobooks like this.
Sebastian stayed calm. "We've set up camp nearby, starting our search tomorrow. It's right behind yours, by the way." Amelia was very angry. "You can't just say it's your site. We've been working here for weeks." Sebastian said, "I have proper permits. This is our expedition zone now," Amelia said. "Having papers won't help when ancient places are disturbed." "You don't get how serious this is. This find is ours," they argued. And then Sebastian said, "We both want the Eye of Horus. Why not work together?" Amelia, not sure, said, "Work together. With you?" Sebastian said, "Arguin wastes time. Together, we can do more as a team." Amelia watched Sebastian, trying to see if he was honest. Finally, she said, "Okay, but only until we find the eye. Then we go our own ways." They agreed, starting to work together with the promise of shared adventures. After working together in the desert for many days, Amelia and Sebastian got eager to find the Eye of Horus. One night, while looking at old maps, Amelia said, "Let's check the ancient library. There might be some clues about where to find the eye." Sebastian agreed. They went to the library in the moonlight, hoping it would help them finish their quest. Suddenly, Amelia, reading an old piece of paper, said, "It says there is a hidden temple under the moving sands." Sebastian said, "Moving sands, a classic trick. We're going the right way." They understood each other without saying anything, happy about what they discovered together. They went into the secret temple, and the walls told old stories. As they walked, the entrance shut, and they were in a long labyrinth. Amelia, sounding a bit nervous, said, "I've read about these traps. We need to be careful." Sebastian, sounding confident, reassured her, "Stay close. Follow me. Some puzzles are meant to be solved." Amelia, who knew about old writings, figured out messages on the walls, guiding them through the labyrinth. Sebastian, quick and strong, fought animated guards. Step by step, they learned the secrets of the mysterious tomb. Finally, they entered a room with a glowing light. In the middle, on a stand, was the famous Eye of Horus. Its bright shine amazed them. Amelia whispers, "We did it, Sebastian. We have found the Eye of Horus." Sebastian grins. "We did it together, Amelia." As Amelia and Sebastian ran to the Eye of Horus, they both grabbed it at the same time. They looked at each other. "Sebastian," she began with concern in her voice, "I studied the eye. It has terrible destructive power. We will have to destroy it." Sebastian raised an eyebrow. "Destroy? Amelia, this is a treasure, a piece of history. We can't just destroy it. Sebastian, ancient texts say the eye can have strong powers. Our job is to protect everyone. Suddenly, the shadows in the room moved strangely, and the walls rumbled. The ground shook, and the big coffin broke. A ghostly person came out of the tomb. It was the tall pharaoh with glowing eyes. Amelia and Sebastian looked at each other in shock. The Eye of Horus woke up an old, strong power, just like Amelia said. As the pharaoh appeared, the room turned into a fight scene. Sebastian tried to push the pharaoh away. He decided to break the eye, but no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't. It seemed like nothing could destroy it. Amelia, lifted by strange powers up in the air, shouted, "Give me the eye. Only a magic spell will destroy it." Sebastian threw the eye to Amelia and tried to get the pharaoh's attention. Amelia fell to the ground, but quickly crawled to the eye, looking for a special symbol like a key and the sun. A long time ago, when she was a little girl, her parents gave her a relic and told her it would save the world. She still carried it with her till that day. She took out the small thing shaped like the sun from her pocket and put it in the eye. Then she said some words in an ancient language. The eye opened, showing a shining crystal inside. Sebastian was almost beaten by the pharaoh when Amelia threw the crystal really hard on the floor, and it broke. All of a sudden, the old power was stopped, and the pharaoh's ghost disappeared. The world greeted Amelia and Sebastian with a gentle breeze. Amelia, fixing a little fire, looked up at the stars. Their ancient glow seemed to tell secrets from a long time ago. Sebastian walked over with a smile on his face. Long ago, people thought the stars knew all the universe's secrets. Amelia asked, "Do you think destiny is real?" Sebastian looked right at her with serious eyes. "I believe we make our destiny, but sometimes the cosmos helps us." As they sat by the crackling fire, Sebastian held Amelia's hand. Their fingers twisted together. "This adventure," Amelia said in a soft voice, "has been dangerous, but so exciting." "Well," Sebastian said, "there's a mysterious island with treasures and secrets. It might be a little dangerous." "Dangerous?" asked Amelia. "I'm in." They both laughed and were excited about the new adventure. They were ready for whatever came their way.
Do you want more English audiobooks with translations and transcriptions? Check out app.ewa.com. You can read books and learn new words every day. And now, enjoy another English story.